We are back again with Umbris Part 2. So I cut it so short last time because I went a little past my limit. It still uploaded, but just took a lot longer than it should have. It took about 10 minutes. It's supposed to upload in like 5. So, sorry if it was kind of not good for you. Alright, let's slingshot. Alright. So I'm gonna have to fight some. One more round. Good. Let's go over here. Fill up his water. Watch, should be at least one left. You know how bad that would be? Wait. I'm confused. How do you get... What? Huh? So like one on the other side? I'm confused how you get into that area. Maybe you like jump from here? Maybe we could make it? It's a big maybe. But I'm not sure how to get there. Looks a bit too much for jumping. You might be able to. I guess you can. Okay, so it opens. And we gotta do this. Do that. And then go flying on the other side. Do that. Let's see where we are. Oh, we are almost there. Can't wait. My question is, I wonder if we're gonna have to be able to get our stuff. Where's that? Let's go.
Well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal. I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right. This is it. Walker's going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot.
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean? What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch up quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis, I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No, he is.
But why? Why?
It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No, but it will be soon.
Alright. Looks like we're gonna have a while to defeat him. Oh crap. Did not know he did that. Looks like you have to get him when he does his last. Looks like that's what happens when you touch the lava. Gonna break? Yeah! But those are a bit bigger. Whew. Close one. Ah! That is huge. Keep on going. Keep on going. Let's see where he is. Oh, he's just over there. That's easy. Let's go defeat him now. Let's wait for those to die down. And do another one. And jump. And fire all we can. What the? No! I forgot about the mine bombs. Go to quick select real quick. Place the ones that we are out of. So that would be this one. The mine bomb. Please die. Please die. Please die. Yes, he died! Oh, that was hard. Well, not really hard. That was actually quite easy. And time to get out of here. Wait. Why those pop open now? Oh. Guess they're like a one. Nope. You can use them more than once, so that's good. Let's go back to the ship. Ah.
I wonder what that info bot is for. Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close. We need support now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not going to last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are direct ships just going that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon? Oh, you're talking to me. I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them? Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought... You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they can cause any real trouble. But I wanted to do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet? Yeah. Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results. Now get out of my sight.
Here we go, here we go. Do, 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 do. Surprised we didn't go back to the other ship, but I don't mind this ship. It looks a little bit better.
Add attention, you deserting maggots! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself. Look, I just want to zip it, worm. You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble. Meet me at the city entrance.
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Well, that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.